covered human touch, and they're amazing massage chairs. You might have seen Mistie actually in it. We'll put a link to that below so you can check it out. But they actually sent us their Reflex 5S foot and calf massager. This bad boy is a lot more affordable than their bigger models, but you're not getting all the bells and whistles. Well, let's open this box up, and it is quite the box, and see what's inside. Okay, we have freed it from the box. First off, we have manuals. There's the power cord. And then check this bad boy out. Okay. Whew. So your legs are going to go into here. You got your buttons for control up on the top. You can see them right there. On the back side, you have a master power on-off button right here. And of course the power cord. So we're going to actually, ooh, what are the zippers for? I imagine that's for cleaning this out. Yeah. So you could unzip these pouches, these fabric pieces off, give them a good wash. That way they don't develop any stink from feet or whatnot. But yeah, so we're going to take this, we're going to try it out, we'll be right back. The Reflex 5S foot and calf massager is awesome, but the controls aren't exactly complex. You have your standard stop button that basically turns the unit off, and then you have two options for guided massages. The first being like a kind of recovery, the other being kind of a relaxation. Those are going to basically have two different types of massages. They're going to use compression, rolling, and other devices to kind of work the legs. And then you have two different levels of shiatsu, and then you have two different settings at which they're going to either oscillate or in session massage the legs. The machine runs for a prolonged period of time and then will shut itself off. But it's all in all, it really feels great. I love the compression on the calves and ankles and feet. I love the roll on the base of the foot. All of it together really kind of works and massages a part of my body that I regularly feel I need to keep massaging and working out because I regularly roll, dislocate, and injure my right ankle all the time. So this is a great item to have, for recovery in your own home. I don't know where that's been all my life, but I'm glad I finally have it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll check you guys out next time.